I'm gonna put some frosting on the base. I like to flip my cake, you guys, smooth side up. Easier, not so crumbly. And I like to clean up my edges a little bit. Easier to align the cake. So this is called crumb coating. It catches all the loose crumbs. I'm gonna stick this in the freezer for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes so that it can like set. That way when you put your second layer, it's not gonna disturb the first layer. Yes, it has set. Offset spatula. See, like if you use plastic turntable, you won't be able to do this. See, you won't be able to turn it like that. I like to use metal scraper. You need to warm up your metal scraper by running it under warm water. Hold your scraper at about 45 degrees angle, perpendicular to the cake board. And then just add more buttercream if you see any holes or stuff like that. Again, try to hold it at 45 degrees angle. Not too much pressure, okay? If you're having a hard time smoothing your sides, you can texture your sides by holding your spatula like this. You can create texture and go up. Super easy. That way it can cover all kind of imperfections. You see the texture? Don't forget to always warm up your metal scraper under warm running water. It will help smooth out that buttercream. Don't put too much pressure in it, just very light touch. I'm not gonna worry about making the top perfect because I'm gonna cover it in chocolate ganache. Again, hold it at 45-degree angle, very light touch. Make sure the bottom of your cake scraper is perpendicular to your cake board. So I'm just gonna do like a shell shape. This is how you do it, okay? Up and down, okay? Super simple. Up and down. Up and down. Do that all around the perimeter of the cake. This is just 4B. 4B tip by Wilton. This is how it looks like. Okay. And I'm gonna pour ganache all over the cake and we're gonna do the drip. Snip off the tip of your piping bag. About this much, okay? I would recommend chill your cake first before you add ganache. And then, this is why you want this metal turntable. Plastic turntable can't moves smoothly like this. And then grab your offset spatula and then see this, smooth out your ganache. If this is your first time, take your time. Take your time. Don't go too fast. I have here Hershey's M&M, my favorite Ferrero Rocher, and Oreo. Okay. And then I will add, he wants Oreo. I like to break it apart, that way it creates a lot more interest. It looks more interesting. And for Hershey, I'm gonna like put it like in vertical position to create height and looks more interesting. It doesn't look boring and flat, okay? And when you don't have any space for the words on top of the cake, write it on your cake board. It's super easy to make, right? Beginner friendly. If you never like make a cake before, that's super easy.